Rose Delgado, DLC Coordinator, Donna Amponga, Jovelyn Constancio, Verly Everita, and Francis Eliza Mamano. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 21 from San Antonio National High School, CTP Unit, Iriga City. Thank you very much. Entry number 21, that was San Antonio National High School from Iriga City.